Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Saket and today we are diving into 4 of the best machine learning courses for beginners. Whether you're curious about AI, exploring data science or just want to get your hands dirty with ML, these resources have got you covered. And the best part, they're all absolutely free. Let's get started. Number 1 is the Google's machine learning crash course. Google's ML crash course is free and is a super practical introductory course featuring animated videos, interactive visualizations, and hands-on exercises that run right in your browser. It covers the essentials such as a linear and logistic regression, gradient descent, and neural networks. Plus, since it's a self-contained course, you can jump into individual modules if you already know some topics. On number 2, we have the Microsoft Learns ML for Beginners series. Microsoft offers a free video series called Machine Learning for Beginners based on 26-lesson open source curriculum. You learn core concepts such as regression and classification, and the content is delivered with hands-on tools. There are also interactive modules covering core ideas such as different ML types, model evaluation, and even transformers. Number 3 is the Great Learning's Basics of Machine Learning. So this self-paced course takes around 3.75 hours to complete and is geared towards beginners. You'll explore supervised versus unsupervised learning, linear regression, Pearson's coefficient, and coefficient of determination with real-world case studies and quizzes. Plus, it also offers lifetime access and a certificate of completion too. And the last is Kaggle's Intro to Machine Learning. Kaggle's Intro to Machine Learning course is concise and is highly practical and is perfect for learners who want to build their first models quickly. The course is estimated to take just a few hours and includes interactive lessons and data sets. Learners offer praise how it highlights both algorithms and the underlying math with clear examples. So these are some of the best beginner-friendly ML courses out there. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more learning paths and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.